What's good, everyone? Chris here again. Chris Goes Outdoors, back up in New Hampshire again, of course. And today we're hiking the Mt Stanton Trail, kind of a lesser traveled area. We're going up Mt Stanton, another one in between, I forget the name of, Mt Lagndon, and then aiming to stay at the Mt Lagndon shelter. I've been there before on a previous trip, and then we'll stay the night, come back right where we came. The weather's supposed to be iffy too, in the 50s, cloudy. Maybe some showers and stuff, so we're just going to enjoy. Spring is springing, and everything's turning green, so gonna keep on heading up the trail, maybe like a quarter mile up already, so keep on keeping on. Alright, so we made it about 1.5 miles and we are now, I believe, at the summit of Mt Stanton. I don't think there's any marker, or if there is, it might be a little further up that way, but close enough. There's all sorts of little views you can take a look off of, not like unobstructed views, but you can still see a good distance and see a lot of stuff. You can see Iron Mountain with Mount Washington and the snow behind it. Looks pretty cool. From up here, you can see down all the little houses and other mountains around, so it's pretty sweet. Nice little area. Wasn't too bad coming up here, though. It is pretty steep. I think the whole trip, I believe, will be around 11 miles, 3,800 feet of elevation. I think like 1,800 feet of descent. So some steep spots for sure, but it's been pretty manageable. I don't think any water along the way until we get to the shelter, though, so I got 2 liters. So we're going to keep on heading on. We're heading toward Mount Pickering next. I think that's in another mile, maybe half a mile, and then it's a little ways over this ridge line over to Mount Lagndon. No real view on Langdon, and then we'll drop down about 600, 700 feet, hang out at the shelter for the evening.
Took a nice nap. It's about 6 something now. Slept a lot later than I thought I was going to. So we're gonna get out quick, eat, and jump right back into bed.
So it's now 7 o'clock. Sun is pretty much gone, and nobody else has showed up. Hearing some animals, squeaks and stuff out in the woods. Stuff dropping off the shelter roof. Water running in the background. It's just so chill right now. Just pounded that mountain house. See it, Italian pepper steak. It's pretty good. So, just gonna sit here another like 10 minutes or so, kick it, brush the teeth, and lay right back down. Enjoying. Just chilling, man. Just chilling. It's great.
So we got some coffee heating up on the stove right now. Slept pretty good last night. Woke up a couple times, as I typically, occasionally do while I'm out here. And yeah, just enjoyed the night. I've been up pretty much since 5. I think it's like 6 right now. 6:04 right now. So I'm not in any particular rush. I'm just gonna hang this morning. Enjoy some coffee. Some nice chocolate donut, and maybe a couple other little breakfast treats, and we'll head on out whenever I feel like it. It's a mix of sun and a gigantic cloud above us right now, so I'm not sure what that's all about. I think it might rain later on, but I don't know. I'm prepared, so we'll see and just hang out and enjoy the morning.